Hi guys, welcome to my first ever unboxing video. For obvious reasons, I don't do this a lot because I do not like to talk to a camera. I like to talk to people. No, actually that's a lie. I don't like to talk to people either. But for the sake of doing this unboxing, I will talk to you. Lucky you. Today, I will be unboxing the REALME 5 Pro. This is not available in This is not available in Malaysia yet. It was recently just launched in India. And if you want to get it without waiting, get your balls out of the shot. So today I'll just be unboxing to see what's in the box when you get it. I'll be doing a review much later on, which you can look out for that closer to the launch date as well. So this phone, I heard, it comes in two colors. It has four cameras. That's the part I'm most interested to know more about because I take my cameras with me everywhere. I bring along my very old iPhone SE. Yes, I use our SE, okay, I haven't changed it in 3 freaking years, so this would be a good opportunity to try something. I also bring along a DSLR, which I have somewhere in my bag right here. So, hi, this is the Nikon that I use. Sometimes I will bring along a Casio. Also, to go along with the Nikon, it comes with the stock lens and a 50mm for all those bokeh shots, which the iPhone SE cannot do. And of course, my latest edition is a wide angle lens. So imagine all this I bring for my travels. You can imagine it's quite a hefty thing to bring along. So having a phone that has all this in one would be so useful. Ushi, get out of the shot. Ushi. 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 Okay. This too? You want to do this too? You want to do this too? No, you don't. Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not mean to throw you. So sorry, baby. Okay. So, of course, they invite you to the family. It says, hey, welcome to the REALME family. That's nice. It's more welcoming than my own family. Okay, so it comes with a casing. A transparent casing, always good to have. The manual book, which not going to see that again. And the phone itself. Let's tilt it up. Okay, there we go. So it comes in two colors. One is the crystal green, and the other one is the crystal blue, which looks like this. So this one is new to this phone. This is the more iconic color when it comes to REALME models, and of course you have the option of both. So the phone itself, as you can see, is actually quite pretty. I especially like the green one because I feel like it reminds me of emerald. So it's a really nice crystal color to it. There's this reflection, very simple, very sleek, and of course the cameras, as you can see here, and one more in front, of course. So let's turn it on. Powered by Android. What else could it be powered by? So I heard this one comes with a Snapdragon processing core, which is really good for gaming. Its camera system comes from Sony, which is, if I'm not mistaken, hang on, let me check. It's Sony IMX86 sensor, which is actually quite good when it comes to camera phones. So if Friday, January the 1st. Yeah, we'll need to reset that. So quite liking the screen, as you all can see. Let's see what the camera has to offer. So as I mentioned earlier, it comes with 4 lenses. So obviously the first will be the ultra 42 megapixel lens. Here you go. And exit, and the wide angle is up here. Very impressive. I'm not even holding it that far, it's probably capturing my face as well. Just okay. And of course, a ultra macro. So a macro is very useful if you're taking like you want to have the bokeh in the background, you want to focus on the finer details of a certain product, or you want to do toy photography and so forth. So ultra macro is really good for this. So once I do my review, we'll be able to see what kind of shots that comes out of this, and how well it wouldn't be fair to compete it against a DSLR, because no matter how old a DSLR, of course the mirrors and the lenses are of course going to be more much better at capturing the light. So obviously we're not going to compare it to a DSLR, but maybe I'll compare it to my phone to see how this can be an upgrade when it comes to my social media photography as well. And of course there's the video, so maybe I'll go around take videos as well. The portrait mode, and then back to the normal photo. We have of course panel, nightscape, expert, which gives you more freedom and flexibility, but sometimes you don't really need that because you just want the phone to do all the hard work for you. Time lapse, slow-mo, and of course the ultra macro. So very excited to try this out, and I'm super loving the green. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Flick, 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 flick. So yeah, once I have done my review, you'll learn and find out more about this phone. Look forward to the review and look out for the launch date, which you can find out more on the REALME Facebook sites. And stay tuned. Bye.